For people like us, traveling is not a hobby. It is rather a way of life, a necessity in order to survive the everyday stress. And the most crucial thing while deciding on the next vacation destination is the budget. Everything depends on that, especially whether to go international or national. International travel has its share of thrill, delight, and most importantly, a lot of myth. One of it being that traveling abroad is super expensive. Let's look at the cheapest countries to visit from India to get rid of the myth.
Number 1. Nepal. Nepal is a beautiful country of snow peaks and streams, yaks and yetis, monsters and magic. Nepal offers the calm and scenery atmosphere for anyone who wants to take a break from the hustle and bustle of the city life. And for the adventure junkies, it is the perfect location to experience an adrenaline rush, and all without burning a hole in the pocket. It is one of the cheapest countries to visit from India. Per day stay cost. A decent hostel room will cost you anywhere between 1000 to 2000 Indian rupees. Activities and things to do. Do visit the famous historical rich temples in Kathmandu and Pokhara. They all mostly have free entries. You should absolutely try trekking in the world's highest peak, Mount Everest base camp. Take nature tours and adventure spots.
Number 2. Vietnam. Vietnam, a country with nothing but ample natural beauty, rich history and unique heritage, is nothing short of paradise. The must place for backpackers all around the world. This is one of the most cheap countries to travel from India.
Per day stay cost. If you decide to stay in the backpackers hostels, you can manage in the less than 1000 rupees per night for the stay. Activities and things to do. Sightseeing, yacht or boat cruise, local market tours, caving, cultural tour, island tour and wildlife tours. Number 3. Bhutan. The happiest country in the world is the best place to be for some peace, tranquility, and top of that, it is one of the most cheapest countries to travel from India. Known for its natural beauty and the vast expanse of explored terrains, Indians can visit this country without a passport. Per day stay cost. If you go for homestays, it will charge you anywhere above 1000 rupees. Decent hotels will cost you about 2000 rupees. Activities and things to do. Cultural tours, local sightseeing, Himalayan tours, adventure sports, religious tours, wildlife tours are among the main things to do during your Bhutan trip. Number 4. Sri Lanka. One of our neighboring countries, it offers a wide range of budget-friendly options to one and all. Known for the amazing beaches, absolutely lip-smacking cuisine and the Ramayana connection, this country has something to offer for one and all. Per day stay cost. Choose hostels or Airbnb and reduce the per day stay cost to as low as 1000 rupees per night. Activities and things to do. Heritage tours, religious visits, art and culture tours, water adventure sports, plantation visits are some of the things to look out for in Sri Lanka. Number 5. Laos. The Southeast Asian country, known for its mountains, Buddhist monasteries, and beautiful French architecture, can be your next destination if you want to travel to a cheap country from India. Per day stay cost. You will get dorm rooms ranging from 400 to 800 per night. If you wish to stay in a hotel, the per night charges will range from 1000 rupees and above depending on the facility you wish to avail. Activities and things to do. Laos' lineup of activities includes night market, heritage tours, cultural tours, temple tours, and bicycle tours. Number 6. Thailand. Thailand, a perfect mix of ultra-modern cityscapes and rich cultural heritage. Royal places, ancient ruins should be your go-to place if you are looking for a cheap country to travel from India. Per day stay cost 1200 and above, depending on facilities and the area you choose to stay in. Activities and things to do. Local shopping, floating market tours, elephant tourism, medical tourism, water sport, tracks, night parties are the major things to do in Thailand. Number 7. Singapore. Gone are the days when Singapore was nothing more than a sterile stopover. It is now a go-to destination for everyone who has a budget to follow. It is such a diverse country that you can travel here and be happy even if you have a tight budget. Singapore is one of the cheapest countries to travel from India. Per day stay cost. You can get hotels ranging from 700 and above. Activities and things to do in Singapore. Shopping, natural tours, local sightseeing, food tours, art and culture tours, garden festivals, beach tours, wildlife tours are the prime activities that need to be done in Singapore. Number 8. Malaysia. one of the most popular tourist destinations for Indians, especially for its budget friendliness. Malaysia has a lot to offer, from pristine scenario to the pleasant climate and marvelous beaches. You are never going to get bored in here. Per day stay cost. You can get hotels ranging from 600 and above if you book in advance. Activities and things to do. Among the many fascinating things to do in Malaysia are culture tours, leisure tours, local sightseeing, shopping, wildlife tours, natural tours, and adventures. Number 9. Indonesia, one of the largest archipelago state in the world, is the go-to destination for Indians as it is one of the cheapest countries to visit from India. Per day stay cost. You can get hotels ranging from 2000 per night. For cheaper option, dorms are available will cost you less than 1000 rupees per night. Activities and things to do. A lot of things to be done in Indonesia should include nature tourism, volcano tours, cultural visit, leisure tours, water sports and religious tours. Number 10. Maldives. The beautiful island of Maldives has been an exotic location. Many people do not think of traveling there because it is infamous for the luxury resorts. However, as a country, Maldives is one of the cheapest countries to travel from India. All you need to do is careful planning and good research. Per day stay cost. You can get guest houses ranging from 1500 and above per night. Activities and things to do. Scuba diving, submarine tour, male walking tour fall among many things to be done in Maldives.